Today we're watching TikToks that make me wheeze, and Simon is about to show us him wheezing. Oh.
That really hurt.
That was a wheeze. That was a good wheeze.
That was a good wheeze, though.
Was,
I'm quite
right?
impressed because in my head I was thinking, I don't know how I can wheeze.
I don't know how to wheeze. Go on, you try and wheeze, John.
What?
But no,
How'd
the
you
laugh
wheeze?
the laugh you
How'd
did
you wheeze?
afterwards was a better wheeze than you trying to wheeze.
I'll just come.
Wait, you can't wheeze.
I can't wheeze.
How do you wheeze?
Just breathe out from the depths.
Breathe out from the depths.
Yeah, like don't just.
Oh, I got it.
What is this called? Alright, stop video, man. Stop
Well, this
video.
one will make us wheeze. It'll make us wheeze. Hopefully, we'll see.
Alright.
Josh
is dying.
These fuckers aren't.
Oh.
Now, fire. National Lampoon's
I'm not gonna lie, I
back.
always wanted to be that house.
You still can.
It looks kind of cool, you know. It does look cool.
Last time I buy a bootleg DVD. Oh no.
What the fuck? It looks pretty cool, actually.
Oh god.
Miss, I think you sent this to the wrong person because I don't do green pen and I don't do autocorrect. Like, I'm not reading this P-E-E-E paragraph. This is a monologue. You're sending me a monologue. This is a life story. I can't read this. I don't know who. I don't know who you thought was gonna read this. And you know I'm paralytic. I'm not reading that. All this energy you could have sent me to the iPhone tower and tell me face to face. And oh my, this I know you have no respect. I don't do sorries, but I do block and forget.
Jesus.
Hi. You such a stinking mouth!
Whoa.
What?
Well, that was a wheeze. My God.
You such a stinking mouth!
Ah.
Wait, what? What?
Ah, tá bom.
Ow.
Mama, hast du mal 5 Euro für mich?
This is Crazy Frog.
Yeah, it's a remix.
Oh shit. She's still got it.
I want to find that remix. Hang on a hot sec. Wait. Give me.
Just not to be that guy, but her hand was above her hip. It doesn't count.
Doesn't count.
Yeah. Get good, Granny.
What if she had like hip replacement? Is actually much higher than you think.
Then fair enough, and we should really keep watch of Calyx.
I wheezed a little bit. Harry, are you finding a remix? What's
Bro,
going
he's
on?
looking for the remix.
I'm trying to find the fucking remix. I can't
gone.
find it, man. I can't find it anyway.
Come back.
I will, you know what? I'm going to save this video and I will Shazam it when we're done filming.
Okay.
Would you flip it if heads meant you got $10 billion, but tails meant you die instantly?
Come on, baby, daddy needs to win today. And you won $10 million.
If you live with a boy, what's something that they either brought with them or bought that they think is okay, even though it's not okay? I'll go first.
Hasbullah.
Classic.
Hell yeah. Yeah? Hell yeah. Jesus, you're fat too. I didn't know sperm had that many calories.
What is going on?
Oh god.
Right.
Oh god.
Right.
Nice. Nice. That horse is going through it, man. That was I don't want to
Ethan?
spoil it. That was Ethan, yeah. That's him.
Oof.
Finish.
Jeez.
Oh.
Does he still do videos?
He must do, right?
Every TikTok that comes up for me that's him now is he controls it, is about to shoot, and then stops, and then sad music plays.
Oh.
I think he's quit.
What, he's just gone on to bigger and better things, or he's just sacked it?
No, because he started doing huge things, and then he was like, oh, I just want to live a normal life, I think.
You know what? I can respect that, man.
Sacked it off.
Yeah, I can respect it. I found a Crazy Frog Funk remix. Is the shit.
still looking.
Sorry,
That's what he's looking for.
I've seen this. He just jacked it. He just jacked it.
Better prank this guy. Yo. Oh, man.
What?
Oh no.
You ready?
Flashbang and L.
50 yards at Popeswood Roundabout. Take the third exit onto Workingham Road B3408.
Hey Mason, just don't go too high, alright, man?
I won't.
Fine. Mason! Mason!
Nice.
Can I get a fofo? Yeah.
Nice.
We haven't wheezed yet.
I can't wheeze.
Oh, God, what's going on?
I was looking for a weapon for wrestling. The fans said not to use a pin.
Down in Ohio, swag like Ohio.
Jesus.
Down in Ohio,
What is happening?
Probably a good workout, to be
Good
fair.
workout for sure, right there.
Yeah, but once you start going down a hill, you're fucked.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, my friend over there said you were really cute.
That, you know what? That would probably
Pretty
work.
is too fair. Yeah,
It would
I'm
probably
not gonna lie.
work. It's quite funny.
Yeah, could you make a
think that
laugh,
would
surely?
Yeah, I think it would. I think it would. It's funny. Like, it's better than anything else. That, like, I don't know. I can't think of a better
What else
one.
you gonna say that's gonna work?
I don't know.
Well, give me a line that would work better than that.
What do you mean? Stop your words. Stop trying to put me on the spot.
Why not?
Give me a line that wouldn't work.
You clapped.
Well, of course. What?
You asked for it though. You said
See,
that.
this is what you were trying to do to me. You were trying to stitch me up to make me fall. And now you have, okay?
Now, show me your W Riz. Come on. Where's Toby? Let's get Toby in the call. He'll know what to say.
He doesn't say anything, bro.
He just
blow
licks
your
his
back
lips
out.
and just like.
Yeah, it just licks his lips and then they're arsehole.
God. She loved it.
What's this going on? Oh my god.
Oh my
Is
God.
this one again?
I like that.
This is their whole
That's what happened.
TikTok
That's your
account.
kid there. Your kid can hit their head there. Hit their head there. Hit their head there. Or get down safely. Massive rocks on a playground. Just makes sense, doesn't it? La, 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 la. Quite dangerous. That's going to snap
Even like
your
this one
kid's
last time.
shin straight
That
in
is
half.
true. Those things there. If your leg falls through that and you're running, I guess kids are durable, but like.
Durable.
Your kid needs rock climbing chalk to be using this equipment. Oh my god, I love binoculars! Concussion.
This looks really fun to film, you know.
This is Simon become parent 24 hours too.
Yeah.
Do toddlers this time. We get toddler versions.
I enjoyed that.
It was good. No wheezing.
Better.
though.
No wheezing though, yeah.
Maybe we would have wheezed if we could wheeze.
Yeah, I feel like
You can wheeze, Simon. You are a wheezer.
Well, they didn't make me wheeze.
Not easy to be wheezy. That's what they say.